10 years ago, Silicon Valley sold you a dream. Unlimited movies, no ads, $8 a month, no contracts, no cable box, total freedom. Millions of people believed the deal. Millions canceled cable. But the promise was never real. You did not escape the system. You helped rebuild the same system under a different logo. It felt like the consumer had finally won, but we didn't win. We just walked out of a tiny cage and into a massive, invisible one. You did not escape the system. Today, we are putting the modern streaming industry on the autopsy table. We are going to look at the bait-and-switch business model used by companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Disney. We are going to expose the dark economic cycle known as enshittification and show you exactly how to permanently slash your entertainment budget without giving up your favorite shows. When Netflix first launched its streaming platform, charging $8 a month for unlimited, ad-free access to massive movie libraries made absolutely no financial sense. The licensing fees, the server costs, and the original production budgets were astronomical. Silicon Valley was intentionally losing billions of dollars every single year. They were heavily subsidizing your $8 subscription with venture capital money. But they were not doing this out of the goodness of their hearts. They were doing it to bankrupt the traditional cable television industry. That was the bait. They made the deal so incredibly sweet that you had no choice but to cancel your cable box. And it worked. Millions of people cut the cord. But once the tech giants realized that cable TV was severely weakened and the consumer was fully locked into the streaming ecosystem, the switch happened. Tech economist Cory Doctor coined a brilliant term for this business cycle. He calls it enshittification. Enshittification happens in 3 distinct phases. Phase 1. The platform is amazing to the user. They operate at a loss to lock you in. Phase 2. Once you are trapped, the platform abuses the user to extract money for their business partners and advertisers. Phase 3. The platform abuses the advertisers to claw back all the value for the shareholders, leaving everyone with a terrible, overpriced product. Look at your streaming bills right now. We are deep into Phase 3. Netflix's premium ad-free plan has nearly doubled in price over the last decade. Disney Plus doubled its price in just 4 years. Amazon Prime, a service you already pay hundreds of dollars a year for, recently started forcing unskippable commercials into their movies, demanding that you pay them an extra monthly ransom just to remove the ads they just introduced. The industry fractured. To watch the shows you used to get in one place, you now have to subscribe to Netflix, Max, Hulu, Disney, and Apple TV. If you add up the cost of maintaining 3 or 4 of these ad-free subscriptions today, you are paying over $80 a month. You are paying the exact same price as the old cable TV bundle, except now you have the added friction of managing 5 different apps and remembering 5 different passwords. The tech giants successfully rebuilt the exact monopoly you thought you escaped. But you do not have to participate in this extortion. If you want to build a real financial surplus, you have to stop treating streaming platforms like public utilities. You cannot just put them on autopay and forget about them. You must become a subscription mercenary. You have to use the churn and burn strategy. The single greatest weakness of the streaming model is that there are no long-term contracts. You can cancel at any time. So, a true frugal strategist never subscribes to more than one platform at a time. If a new season of your favorite show drops on Max, you subscribe to Max for 1 month. You watch the show, and on day 29, you ruthlessly cancel the subscription. Next month, you rotate your $8 over to Hulu. The month after that, Apple TV. Corporate loyalty is a tax on the poor. By actively rotating your subscriptions, you permanently slash your entertainment budget by 75%, but you still get to watch every single show you care about. Stop subsidizing a billionaire's bait-and-switch algorithm with your laziness. Cancel the dead weight, rotate your platforms, and keep your hard-earned capital for yourself. If you want to keep learning how to defend your cash flow against corporate monopolies, hit the subscribe button. We are just getting started.